Welcome back to Pace Law Firm, pacelawfirm.com. Talking once again with Michelle Arzega, lawyer at Pace Law Firm. Thanks for coming back, Michelle. Today we're going to talk about income replacement benefits, or to put it in layman's terms, what happens if you can't earn any money after an accident?
Well, specifically after a motor vehicle accident, a lot of my clients that have been involved in motor vehicle accidents, that question comes up all the time. How am I supposed to live? How am I supposed to earn an income if I can't work and I've been injured in an accident? I always talk about the options that are available to them. First of all, if I always ask my clients if they have long-term disability or short-term disability available to them. These types of benefits are usually available through your employer, or sometimes people might have a private plan. They can apply for that and they usually can get paid that way. So for the time that they're off work because of their injury, they can get paid through the disability carrier.
Okay.
Now, if they don't have those benefits and they have motor vehicle insurance and it's a motor vehicle accident, you can apply to the insurer for something that's called income replacement benefits.
Okay.
And there are a few things that you need to remember about income replacement benefits. You have to remember that it's not payable for the first 7 days after the accident. And there are a couple of forms that clients do need to fill out through their family doctor, as well as through their employer, to verify the income so that it can get paid.
Okay.
Now, the second point that also needs to be remembered by my clients, and what I do explain to them, is you don't get all of your income paid for the time that you're off. So you get up to $400 per week paid for the time that you're off work because of your injury, or 70% of your gross weekly earnings, whatever's lower.
So you must have clients come to you and they've been in an accident and they can't work anymore. Is there there must be advice there to cut back on, say, lifestyle and things like that, because the same amount of money just isn't going to be coming in, is it?
No, not at all. Now, for instance, if there is a shortfall, let's say, for instance, I'll have clients where they're earning much more than $400 a week, and there is a shortfall. If they're not at fault for the accident, it does take a little bit longer to get that shortfall, but you can pursue the at-fault driver's insurer. That takes a little bit longer to get, but again, there is recourse for that through litigation.
Can you do both? Like, if you have long-term disability insurance, can you get insurance through that and then also go after the motor vehicle insurer to get more money? Like, how does it work?
It really depends on what's available to you from the long-term disability carrier or from the short-term disability carrier. Most short-term disability carriers will cover up to pretty much 100% of your time off work for a certain period of time. It's usually about 16 weeks.
Okay.
If they don't pay enough, or if they don't pay 100%, usually can have recourse to a top-up against the motor vehicle insurer.
Are there any things that the motor vehicle insurer absolutely will not cover? Like, what are some of the things that people might be tricked into? They find out and they go, whoa, I don't have coverage.
Well, in terms of income replacement benefits?
That's right.
Well, when you're self-employed, there are a number of things that the insurer will want to take a look at. There's just not a simple form from the employer anymore, because there are no employers with self-employed clients. They're going to want to look at the financial statements and income tax records, and they're going to do a lot more. They're going to have a lot more scrutiny into those types of records. It may take a bit of time, and we use a lot of there's a lot of tax loopholes where self-employed people use to get these tax benefits or tax deductions, and unfortunately their income replacement benefit may be calculated at a lower level. Again, if the client is not at fault for the accident, there is recourse, and there are ways to recoup some of that lost income against the at-fault driver.
If someone's not sure what might happen to them in terms of income replacement benefits after an accident, what's the first thing they should do after watching this video?
They should give me a call. I can always be contacted through my direct line, which is 416-734-0447.
And they can also reach you, marzega@pacelawfirm.com. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay, thanks, Michelle, for coming by, talking about income replacement benefits. We'll be talking about more stuff later on, and we'll see you next time. Bye.